the activist who later became a politician had also made some comments. But it would be wrong sitting here without correcting some impression. First of all, we are talking about democracy 25 years. We know we have challenges. I expected the lecturer to say, yes, we have made some progress. And on his lecture, not one progress was made. Criticism, criticism, criticism. Are you telling me that for 25 years, we have not made one progress? Then we can say, yes, we have made this progress, but there's still room for us to move forward. Just like Shehu Sani said, how they were locked up, how they were detained. Can he say under this democracy, any Nigerian have found himself under that state? That is a progress. That is a progress. You see, we should give the impression as if we have not made any progress. You have said here about infrastructure, FCT. You have said here FCT. Who is FCT minister working under? Who?
The president.
Mr. President. Which means he has the capacity to do those who can help him move the country forward. That is progress. Mr. President knows that there's a problem. And that's why he said, renewed hope agenda. Why did he say renewed hope agenda? He knows that Nigerians have lost hope. For the day that he must work hard to bring back that hope to Nigeria. So it is not as if, Mr. President, don't sit down, let people not deceive you that Nigerians are suffering. Who does not know that Nigerians are suffering? That is no longer a story. And we should not be saying, well, we should distinguish between theory and real practice. You know, we like to come to the public and begin to talk. That's what Nigerians like. You like to clap hand. Mr. President has been making a lot of efforts. And you know where we are coming from. We don't expect, within a short time, economy that was down, everything was, this country was broken. And then you expect, within a short time, everything will be corrected. That is not correct. Thank you for saying that we have turned Abuja around, which means if Abuja can be well, it means other things will be well. Yes. So I felt I should contribute this and to say, my brother friend, and by the mere fact that you were active does not mean that you will do well. No. That they did not allow you to be governor. No. Activists have always failed. Activists have failed. We have seen activists that were given appointments, and yet they failed. When you were in Senate, how did we perform? What was our performance as senators? And you have said about rigging elections, and as an activist, how many times have you rejected brief? Those who have rigged the election, you have always defended them. So it is not about every time we come here, we postulate and postulate and postulate. Thank you, and God bless you.